Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn the colors. This is orange color, dark blue color, sky blue color, red color, light green color, purple color, brown color, yellow color, violet color, black color, pink color, and dark green color. Let's start drawing 2D shapes. This is triangle, circle. This is heart. Star. Pentagon. Square. Let's color these 2D shapes. Sky blue color, dark circle, dark green color, purple color, this is heart, purple color heart. Let's try some different colors. We have red color, wow, we have done. This is a star. This is sky blue color. Sky blue color pentagon. Dark green color. Let's color the dark green color square. Wow, we have done. Let's revise. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Dear kids, प्यारे बच्चों, आप इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.